In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Miro for funnel design. We're going to build a clear, visual funnel using Miro's template library so you can map each stage from awareness to conversion and make your strategy easy to communicate. Start by heading to Miro.com in your browser. When the homepage loads, you'll be in a workspace where you can spin up a board. Our goal is to tap into Miro's templates because they give you a solid structure and save a ton of setup time. Find the Explore Templates option on the screen. Clicking it opens a gallery of ready-made boards for different use cases. This library is great because it balances speed with flexibility. You get a framework, but you can adapt every part to your needs. At the top, you'll see a search bar to quickly focus on what you want. Type funnel design into the search. You'll see templates for marketing funnels, customer journeys, and variations with different stage counts. Hover to preview and skim the short description. Look for a layout with clear stages, space for notes, and simple connectors for flow. If you manage multiple products or channels, consider a template with plenty of white space so you can duplicate sections without crowding the board. When you find one that fits, select it and click Use. Miro creates a board with the template centered. Take a moment to get oriented, scroll to zoom in and out, hold the spacebar to pan around, and use the mini-map or frames panel if it's available to jump between sections. A quick pass here will speed up editing later. Now customize. Replace placeholder text with your funnel stages, awareness, consideration, conversion, retention, or whatever naming your team uses. Add short definitions under each stage so everyone interprets them the same way. Adjust colors to build a legend, like blue for traffic sources, orange for nurture steps, and green for conversion points. Drag connectors to map the path prospects take, and label transitions to explain what triggers each move. Use sticky notes for hypotheses, known bottlenecks, and ideas for experiments. If you need a parallel path, select a stage group and duplicate it for another audience or channel. Keep text concise, but attach key metrics directly to the diagram: impressions, click-through, qualified leads, conversion rate, jobs. So the map stays actionable. Use alignment tools to tidy spacing, frames to chunk sections by campaign or phase, and comments to gather feedback without clutter. For presentations, organize frames left to right as slides and add a title frame with date and objective. Finally, trace a sample journey end to end to verify the logic and ensure there are no dead ends. Miro autosaves so your work stays safe as you go. And that's it. You've turned a blank canvas into a living funnel map ready for planning, review, and iteration.